Imagine someone is constantly following you or listening to your conversations. Sounds scary, right? You heard it right. It may sound like a conspiracy theory, but maybe our phones are listening to us. Have you ever discussed a new tech product with a friend only to start seeing the ads on your social media apps? A report from the journalists of 404 Media recently found evidences that companies like Amazon and Google, they do listen to everything. In this connected world, data privacy has become a game of survival, and it's time you learn the rules and protect the information that you have. Not only your smartphones, but your televisions, your smart speakers, even they are spying on you. So welcome back everyone. I'm Abhishek Chauhan, an information security professional at 9 Yards Technology. And today we are going to discuss, does data privacy really matter in the age of Internet of Things? And if all small gadgets listen to our conversation, how can you protect your information? Stay tuned to find out how to protect the information in the age of IoT and what the future holds for your data. Let's talk about the Internet of Things or IoT. In 2025, it's expected that there will be over 75 billion connected devices, smart homes, fitness trackers, connected cars. Basically everything around you is becoming smart. From convenience to automation, IoT is changing the game. But with great technology comes great responsibility. Every IoT device we use collects, shares, and sometimes exposes massive amounts of personal data. From your daily routines to sensitive information like your health and your location. This data is constantly being tagged. So the big question is, who's got the access to all this data? So let's get real. More than 70% of IoT devices are vulnerable to security breaches. That means your private conversations, financial details, and even your security footages could fall into the wrong hands. So remember the infamous 2016 Mirai botnet attack? Hackers took control of thousands of unsecured IoT devices and caused major internet blackouts. And it's just not hackers we have to worry about. Tech companies are collecting and selling your data too. In 2024, reports showed that 60% of IoT manufacturers were using your data to target advertising or selling it to third-party marketers. Scary, right? So what is going to happen to our data in 2025 and beyond? Experts predict that privacy will be one of the biggest tech battlegrounds of the future. Governments are starting to crack down the laws like the IoT Cybersecurity Improvement Act in the US and GDPR 2.0 in Europe. These laws are designed to give us more control. But is it enough? By 2025, companies are expected to implement stronger encryption, automated data management, and even AI-driven privacy tools to help users keep track of what data is being collected. Imagine being able to see in real time which of your devices are sending data to and whom, all from a single dashboard. Sounds futuristic. Well, it's coming. But here's the thing. You have the power to protect your data. Let me show you some actionable steps that can keep your information safe starting today. First off, it's crucial to change default passwords on any IoT device. Did you know only 33% of IoT users change their default password? Something like admin123 just isn't going to cut it. Two-factor authentication is like an extra lock on your door. Even if someone gets your password, they'll still need that extra code sent to their phone. This is one of the best defenses that you can set up. Many IoT devices come with features you don't use. Do you really need your smart vacuum to know your home layout 24/7? Probably not. Disable what you don't need. Alright folks, we've covered a lot today, from the real risks of IoT to how the future of data privacy is evolving. Remember, while technology is transforming our world, you can take control of your data. By 2025, data privacy will be more important than ever. So let's stay ahead of the curve together. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay connected and stay secure.